In this video, I will be showing you 5 real ways that you can start making money from Instagram today, even if you don't have a following and without necessarily showing your face. These 5 things are things that I personally have used myself to make $5,000 a month all the way to $100,000 a month from Instagram. Now, I'm not some famous crazy influencer that makes a ton of brand deals, so you don't have to worry about that because your following doesn't matter. In fact, you can start without even having an Instagram account today and start implementing the principles and the things I'm about to share with you in this video. And these things are by far, in my opinion, the easiest ways that you can start making money online today just by using your phone and the Instagram app you already have. For those that don't know me, my name is Josue Pena, and since 2016, I've been using Instagram for business. And since then, I have been able to do hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars every single year just from Instagram alone. And have also been able to help hundreds of other students and clients that we have do the exact same thing. Now we're gonna start 5 to number 1, 5 being the one that you can make the least money on, going all the way up to having the one that you can make the most money on. Well, let's just start on to number 5, and that is growing a theme account and selling what's called shoutouts. This is honestly one of the easiest method that you can do to start making money with Instagram without even showing your face. And that is simply just growing a theme account around a specific subject that maybe interests you, that you're passionate about, and that you find pretty cool. I did this myself with multiple pages, like for example, Elation Football, that was a soccer page, Elation Fitness, that was a fitness page. And today also I co-own one of the biggest art pages in the world called Daily Art. And all these are pages around a specific topic that you don't have to show your face or anything, and you're simply resharing content from other creators, giving them credit and growing your following in the process. Now, after you've grown a big enough audience, what you can do is sell promotions or shoutouts, where you're promoting another page or another product and service or another personal brand or content creator. And for that, they're willing to pay you a good amount of money. In other words, simply somebody pays you to post on your account by promoting them. And if they want you to push a link to the website, you can even charge a little bit more. Now, the hardest part about this method is obviously growing the audience itself. It takes a lot of time, energy, effort for you to grow a theme page in the first place. But it can be very, very lucrative, especially if you choose the right niche. For example, if you choose something around investing or e-commerce or something like that, you don't even have to be an expert on e-commerce or an expert in investing and financing, but you simply just share interesting topics and things that you find, and naturally your audience will start building. Of course, if your content is good in the first place. And then what happens after you get to 10, 20, 100,000 followers, other people are gonna start contacting you to buy promotions from you, and you simply sell them. And in terms of when you can start charging for your promotions, I would say around 10,000 followers. You can start selling shout out for about $15, but if you grow your page super big, you can sell shout outs all the way from $300, $500, even $1,000 per shout out. For example, one page right here at Wealth or Millionaire Mentor right here that I both know, they charge a ton of money per shout out simply because they have decided to build their audience throughout the years, and they're one of the biggest in the space. And today they make millions of dollars just by selling shout outs from their Instagram account. So you can definitely do this as well. But again, the hard part about this is growing the audience in the first place, which could take a ton of time, but there's always ways to automate it. You can hire somebody from Fiverr as a video editor or a content creator, pay them $5 and post that content on Instagram and schedule it out so it goes automatically. So there's ways to automate this process as well. Now on to the next one, number 4, which is flipping Instagram accounts. This is where you buy an existing Instagram account, ideally a theme page, again, around a topic that you know or that you're passionate about, and you buy it for a relatively low price. And then you repackage it, you improve it, you create better content, you build a brand around it, and then a couple months later, you resell it. And obviously you resell it for a higher price, so there's a profit. Now here's the crazy thing. Most people do not know what an account is worth, so they're willing to sell it for a very low price. But you knowing and watching this video, know that an audience on Instagram is extremely valuable. It allows you to then resell it for a higher price. Now here, of course, is not all audiences are built the same. Somebody in the business and finance niche is a lot more valuable than somebody, I don't know, in the TikTok gaming niche. So it's important that you know which accounts to buy and how to flip them and sell them. So my suggestion would be start with a small budget, buy an Instagram account and start growing it in that same niche to see how far you can take it, and then go out there and flip it.
That's right.
And of course, you can combine the previous method as well and also sell shoutouts on that page as it is growing. Now, something to keep extremely in mind is that there's a lot of scammers out there. So you need to be very careful that you do not fall for one of these. No. Because you can pay the money and the person never delivers your Instagram account. And that can be extremely problematic. But it works super well because we literally just did the exact same thing with one of our older pages called World of Artists that we used to co-own as well in the art niche. And we sold it for a very good amount. And we did that a couple years ago. So yes, this works. And we got a multiple high 5-figure payday just from it. Now on the next one, number 3, and that is selling product products and services. Let's just say right here, you are a business owner. You're a plastic surgeon or a doctor or a dentist or a restaurant owner, or maybe a fitness coach or a relationship expert, whatever the niche that you're in, you can sell your products and services on Instagram. And this could be one of the most lucrative ways that you can make money on it. You need to build your audience, and this could be a little bit more challenging because you're building a brand in your own business. But it is one of the most profitable ways that you can make a ton of money from Instagram. Now, my suggestion here is that you also combine that with Instagram ads in order to make sure that you're capitalizing as much as possible on all the traffic that it is on Instagram. Because funny enough is that you can start making money on Instagram and start making sales even without having a ton of followers and having a big following. I actually created another video right here on the channel. You can check it out in the description below, where I break down absolutely everything, how you can start creating Instagram ads for your business and start running them right now in a profitable way. Now on to the next one, which is number 2, which is Instagram client management, or in other words, creating an Instagram agency. This is basically where you learn how to do Instagram marketing, and now you're offering it to other clients as a service. For example, if you did grow a theme account before, you know how to grow on Instagram very quickly. You know how the Instagram algorithm works. You have sold shoutouts before, maybe you flipped an account here and there. You can actually offer your services to other people and other business owners on how to grow their Instagram accounts as well. This was something I actually did before, and in 2018, I actually made $1 million just with this method alone. So it is extremely lucrative. It is extremely in high demand for those that know how to actually do Instagram marketing. And it's a very, very easy way that you can start making money today, because you don't need a ton of followers in your personal brand, because you're simply managing the client's account and growing them.
Yes, that's correct.
But the challenging piece here is that you actually need to be better at Instagram marketing in order for you to deliver amazing results for your clients. And of course, to be able to charge a premium price. And here, the cool part about it is that it is a recurring service, meaning if you charge your client $3,000 a month and you actually do a good job, that client is going to stay on next month and the next one and the next one. And you only need 3 to 4 clients to make $10,000 to $12,000 a month in monthly recurring income, which is extremely, extremely good. And now on to number 1, and my favorite one for you to start making money on Instagram today, even if you don't have a business, don't have any experience, are starting from complete zero, and allows you to make a ton of money. And that is leveraging an already existing business owner for your benefit and leveraging their followers for your benefit. But by doing one little thing, and that is bringing more sales to the table. So let me explain. Right here, you see, for example, Nick Santanastasio, who's actually one of our clients, and he has, as you see right here, 629,000 followers, which is a ton of people. Now, here's the thing. This business owner right here does not have the time to talk to 600,000 people. Also, there's thousands and thousands of people who like and comment on his posts all the time, as you can see right here. He has spoken with The Rock and Tony Robbins on stage. This guy is a massive influencer and celebrity. So, like I said before, he does not have the time to talk to every single person, but he does want to sell more of his products and services. And it is a reason why, you can see right here, he pushes people to the link in his bio, which sends people right here. And there, people put name, email, and phone number. Now, here's the problem. He needs people to talk to his followers that are already interested in his products and services in order to see if his products and services can actually help them in the first place. And simply for doing so, you're able to make 10, 15, even 20% on the high end in terms of commissions. And Nick Santanastasio's product is anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, which means that you can be making up to $1,000 per sale, which usually takes about an hour, that you make without having to build your own following or business, and simply leveraging Nick Santanastasio's following in this example. And just like this, there's dozens and dozens of influencers. In fact, my main company, Online Sales, this is what we specialize on, helping influencers and business owners sell more products and services on Instagram. As you can see right here, we literally have hundreds and hundreds of them. It is the reason why I say is probably number 1, because I started doing this same thing myself. Started becoming what's called an online closer or a digital closer for these business owners by leveraging their following without having to build my own following as well, and simply by taking commissions for the sales that I was able to bring to the table, and by talking to people who are already interested in the products and service in the first place. So I would just simply abridge. So let me just diagram it for you. Nick Santanastasio is right here, the influencer with 600,000 followers. He has this product and service he wants to sell more of, and it costs $5,000, right? Now, most people are going to want to talk to an actual human before paying $5,000, right? So here's where you come in. You're simply being the bridge between Nick and the money, between his followers right here and collecting this $5,000. You're being this bridge right here. And for doing so, you're able to make 5, 10, 15, even 20% commissions by doing this exact thing. You're making 5% 10% commission, and on the higher, you're making 20% commission, which means that you can be making anywhere from $250 to $1,000 per sale that you make. And you can do this just from your phone, just chatting back and forth with people on DMs or on text messages, or by simply talking to people on Zoom or on Skype for just 1 hour. And this is how crazy this opportunity is, because you're literally leveraging already an existing business that is successful, that has an audience, that has a product and service that's proven, and that has leads coming to you and people interested in the first place, so you're not having to pull teeth to just make a sale. And it is a reason why, in my opinion, is the easiest way to make money online today. Because as you see, we literally have hundreds and hundreds of clients inside of our agency where we are helping market their products and services on Instagram. But they need more online or digital closers to talk to these people that we're helping them market to. So I need your help. And it is the reason why we have created Gram Sales Academy, where we literally show people step by step how to close more sales on the DMs, how to talk to people, how to prospect, and how to take the inbound leads and followers that we're generating for our clients and turn them into dollars. And in the process, make a ton of money. So if you would like to apply for a Gram Sales Academy program, where we literally work one-on-one with you, and in just 6 weeks from now, we guarantee a vehicle and an opportunity where you will be able to make a minimum of $100,000 over the next 12 months, then comment below the word GSA and I'll reply over with a link for you to apply to it. It is by application only, and the reason why we do it like this is because we need to make sure that every single person that we bring in, it's good, it's qualified, shows up, works hard, and allows us to market hard so that we can both make a ton of money. So if you're interested in having the opportunity to make $100,000 guaranteed over the next 12 months and have us help you get trained and also certified over the next 4 to 6 weeks, comment the word GSA below. So these are the 5 ways that you can start making money today on Instagram, from my lowest favorite all the way to my favorite one. So let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite one and which one are you going to start doing today. And if you want to see another video where I break down even further how to become a social closer or an online closer and show you proof of how you can make $100,000 over the next 12 months with it, then check this video out right here, where we break down everything step by step even further so you can see for yourself that this is actually real. And that Gram Sales Academy program right now, it is the best way for you to make $100,000 over the next 12 months. So click right there on that video and I'll see you there.